SmartClass Plus Free Access. How to install the teacher software for the Windows operating system. In your Downloads folder, you will see a file called SmartClass Plus Teacher Hub Trial Setup. Double-click the icon and click Yes to allow changes to your computer. In some cases, your antivirus may interfere with the installation process. Make sure you allow your antivirus to make the exception or disable your antivirus altogether for the installation process. Once your files extract, just click on Next, then Next again. The installation is now complete. The orange icon that appears on your desktop is called SmartClass Plus Teacher Hub. Double-click on that icon and give it a moment to load. If you want to ensure you have the correct configuration, click on the green light with the word Online to confirm that the school server name is SmartClass-Trial. This is where we need teacher credentials, your username and password to log in. Once you click on Login, you will have one single class created for you. You can create additional classes and add your students to each class, and so much more. Our glossary of videos will show you quickly, step by step, on how to do all these things and more.